Hey Tony, here's a quick demo on how to make a plate, an image plate in Photoshop. I'm going to make it 2 images wide and 3 images deep, and that will be the approximate dimensions for an A4 size piece of printed paper. Okay, so I'm in Photoshop and I've got the dorsal lateral views of 3 different species, and I want to put them all onto a plate. Okay, so if I go in and have a look at the size of each image, and they're all the same, they are 2,720 wide, and I want 2 of them side by side, so I multiply that by 2, which gives me 5,440 pixels in width. And I want it 3 deep, and each of the images is 2048 pixels, and I want 3 of them on top of each other, so I multiply that figure by 3, which gives me 6,144 pixels, and I must keep the resolution the same of 300. Okay, so I go up to File, New, and I create a new empty file that's 5,440 pixels wide and 6,144 pixels deep, and the resolution is 300. So that black file there is my base of the new file. Now all I've got to do is go to each of the images, and copy and paste them into my new file. Okay, so I go to the marquee tool and I just simply transcribe it. So I've got the whole of the image. I go into there, I go to copy, and I go to my new file, click in there, and I go paste. Then I go to the pointer tool and I simply pick it up and I move it into position. That's the first one. So now I get the lateral view of that image, which is that one. Marquee tool, pick it up, edit, copy, go to the file and drop it in. Pointer tool, pick it up and click it in. Bang, easy as that. Next one is the, where's the dorsal view? Here we are. Here's the, I go to the marquee tool, I pick it up, edit, copy, go to the file, edit, paste, pointer tool, drop it in. See that? They almost just slide in like plates. Okay, I'll go then to, there's the lateral view of it. Take it like that. Copy, edit, paste, pointer tool, pops in. And I'll go to the last one, marquee, pick it up, edit, copy into my blank file, paste, pointer down there, and then the final one is this one here, marquee tool, pick, copy, and drop it in, and then grab that and then simply move it down. See, I can move it wherever I like. I'm simply holding the mouse down when I do this. There we are. Then I would go to layer and I press flatten image, which flattens the image out, and then I would save that, save as, and make sure that it's a TIFF file. So there I've got 6 15 meg TIFFs all within the one, and as I said, any editor can take that and put it into a nice A4 size page. That'll be about 100 megabytes in size. Okay mate, I hope that helps.